linear differential equation of the first order. The general form of a linear differential equation of the first order. This is the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. This can be taken as equation number 1. The solution of the first order linear differential equation is, this is the formula. To remember this formula for this type of problems. So y into e power integral p dx equal to q integral q e power integral p dx plus c. This is the formula. Exercise 4.4, problem number 2. Solve the following linear differential equation dy by dx plus y cos x equal to sin x into cos x. This can be chosen as equation number 1. Solution. The given differential equation is dy by dx plus py equal to q. Equation number 2. So comparing 1 and 2. So this is dy by dx, this is dy by dx, cancel. Again, in this y cos x, in this place py. So first you have to compute p value. Comparing these two results, so p equal to cos x, and comparing these two results, so q equal to sin x cos x. So p equal to cos x and q equal to sin x cos x. Straight away write down the formula y e power integral p dx equal to integral q e power integral p dx plus c. First we have to compute integral p dx. So integral p dx is, integral p value is cos x dx. So integration of cos x dx is sin x. Again we have to compute e power integral p dx. So e power integral p dx is e power, already we have to compute sin x. So e power sin x. So straight away applying the formula y e power integral p dx can be taken as e power sin x. So y e power sin x equal to integral q can be taken as, q is sin x cos x, sin x cos x into, again e power integral p dx is e power sin x dx plus c. Next step, by applying the method of substitution, okay, so we have to consider t equal to sin x. So t equal to sin x, so differentiating on both sides, dt equal to sin differential பண்ணா cos x dx. Straight away applying the same format, y into e power sin x can be taken as t. So all the x can be transformed as in terms of t only. So sin x equal to t. So e power t equal to integral. Again we have to consider this one is sin x. So we have to consider it as t. T into e power sin x. Sin x can be taken as t. So t e power t dt. So two functions are lying in this integration. So we have to apply the ILAT technique. So we have to apply the integration by parts formula. So first we have to choose, we have to take u is algebraic. So first we have to choose algebraic. So u equal to algebraic means t is algebraic. So by applying the integration by parts formula, y e power t is fixed. Right hand side we have to apply the integration by parts formula, uv minus integral v du. So u can be chosen as algebraic. So u equal to t. So d equal to dt. Right side v equal to e power t, and straight away applying the formula y e power t equal to, formula is uv. U is t, v is e power t. So 2 e power t minus integral v du. V again v is e power t dt plus c. So y e power t equal to multiply t e power t minus integration of e power t is e power t plus c. So y e power t plus t e power t minus e power t plus c. So y e power t equal to, e power t is taken as a common, so t minus 1 plus c. Finally t can be transformed as in terms of x. So y into e power t can be chosen as e power sin x equal to e power sin x into sin x minus 1 plus c, hence the problem. Again, let us move to problem number 4. dy by dx equal to 3x square by 1 plus x cube dy equal to 1 plus x square by 1 plus x cube. This can be taken as equation number 1. Again, we have to consider the first order linear differential equation dy by dx plus py equal to q. Choose as second equation. Comparing these two equations, in the place of p is 3x square by 1 plus x cube. In the place of q can be taken as 1 plus x square by 1 plus x cube. Formula y e power integral p dx equal to q integral q e power integral p dx dx plus c. Formula. First we have to compute integral p dx. Integral p dx is integral of 3x square by 1 plus x cube dx. So integral 3x square by 1 plus x cube dx. By applying the method of integration, substitution method, we have to apply the substitution method. This denominator can be chosen as t. So 1 plus x cube equal to t. Differentiating on both sides, dt equal to 1 is 0, differentiation of 1 is 0, x cube is 3x square into dx. So all the x can be transformed as t. So integral over numerator can be taken as 3x square, dx can be taken as dt. So dt by t equal to integration of dt by t is log t. Log of, again finally t can be transformed as x. So 1 plus x cube. Again, e power integral p dx equal to e power log 1 plus x cube. So e power log 1 plus x cube is, the final answer is 1 plus x cube. So for y e power, straight away applying the formula, so y e power integral p dx is 1 plus x cube equal to q value is 1 plus x square by 1 plus x cube into, again e power integral p dx is 1 plus x cube into dx. 1 plus x cube, 1 plus x cancel. So y into 1 plus x square equal to integral 1 plus x square dx. So y into 1 plus x cube equal to 1 into dx is dx. So integration of dx is x. And x square dx, integration of x square dx is x cube by 3c. Hence the problem. Again move to problem number 6. dy by dx plus y tan x equal to cos cube x is equation number 1. Again we have to take the linear, first order linear differential equation dy by dx plus py equal to q is equation number 2. Comparing, so p can be chosen as tan x and q can be chosen as cos cube x. So p equal to tan x, q equal to cos cube x. Formula y e power integral p dx equal to integral q e power integral p dx px plus c. So integral p dx, first you have to compute integral p dx, integral tan x. Integral tan x formula is log secant x. So to remember, study this formula. So integration of tan x dx equal to log secant x plus c. So e power integral p dx equal to e power log secant x. E power log of something is secant x. So y secant x, straight away applying the formula, y e power integral p dx is secant x equal to integral q can be taken as q is cos cube x into e power integral p dx is secant x dx plus c. Y secant x equal to cos cube x into secant is, conversion of secant is 1 by cos dx plus c. So 1 cos is cancelled, 1 power is cancelled. So y secant x equal to cos square x dx plus c. Finally, we have to apply this half angle formula. So cos square x equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2 is a formula, half angle formula. So this formula can be applying in this cos square x. So y secant x equal to integral cos square x can be replacing by 1 plus cos 2x by 2 dx plus c. So y secant x equal to 1 by 2 into integral 1 plus cos 2x by 2 So 2 can be taken as outside. So 1 by 2 is a constant taken as outside. 1 by 2 into 1 into dx is integral dx, and cos 2x into dx is integral cos 2x dx. Integrate separately. 1 by 2 into integration of dx is x. Integration of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2 plus c. So the final answer is y secant x equal to 1 by 2 into x plus sin 2x by 2 plus c. That's the problem. Again move to problem number 7. If dy by dx plus 2y tan x equal to sin x, and if y equal to 0 when x equal to pi by 3 x plus y in terms of x. First we have to take the linear first order differential equation, is equation number 1. Again we have to choose the given differential equation is dy by dx plus 2y tan x equal to sin x is equation number 2. Comparing these two equations, so in the place of p can be taken as 2 tan x and q can be chosen as sin x. So p equal to 2 tan x, q equal to sin x. So we are applying the formula. So y e power integral p dx equal to q integral q e power integral p dx dx plus c. So first we have to compute integral p dx. Integral p dx is integral 2 tan x dx. 2 is a constant taken as outside. Integral tan x dx. So integration of tan x dx formula is log secant x plus c. So integration of tan x is log secant x. So 2 log secant x can be taken as applying the power rule. So we have to take log secant square x, applying the logarithmic power rule. So e power integral p dx equal to e power log secant square x. Log of any function, e power log of any function is this function. So secant square x is secant square x. Y secant square x equal to integral sin x into secant square x dx plus c. So to applying the formula, so y into e power integral p dx is secant square x equal to integral q is sin x, e power integral p dx is secant square x dx plus c. Y into secant square x equal to integral sin x into cosecant secant square x conversion is 1 by cos square x dx plus c. So y secant square x equal to sin x, one cos can be taken as a denominator, so sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x dx plus c. So y secant square x equal to integral tan x, sin by cos is tan x, 1 by cos is secant x dx plus c. So y secant square x equal to the formula is integration of secant x tan x dx equal to secant x plus c formula. So integration of secant x tan x dx equal to secant x plus c, equation number 3. In this equation number 3, two results are already given in the problem. One is x equal to pi by 3 and y equal to 0. These two are given in the problem. So x equal to pi by 3, y equal to 0 is applying in equation number 3. So this is the final solution of the problem. Okay. So we get y equal to 0 means this term is become 0 equal to secant x can in the place of x we have to apply pi by 3 plus c. So 0 equal to sin pi by 3. The sin pi by 3 is secant pi by 3. Secant pi by 3 is secant 180 by 3. Pi is 180 by 3 is secant 60 degree. Secant is conversion of secant is 1 by cos. Cos 60 is 1 by cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the fraction in the denominator, so we have to take the numerator 2. So secant pi by 3 is 2 plus c equal to minus 2 is equation number 4. So 4 can be applying in equation number 3. So final answer is y secant square x equal to secant x plus c value can be minus 2. So the final answer is y secant square x equal to secant x minus 2, hence the problem.